Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So setting up automations for sending notification to your customers ensures that your customers receive timely updates, whether it is related to order confirmation, shipment tracking or appointment reminders. Sending notification to your customers improve lead management as well as engagement. So I'm going to tell you some amazing automations today which you can create with the help of Pabbly Connect very easily to set up automation for sending notification to all your customers. And the best part is that all these automations are going to be created without the requirement of any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn these amazing automations, for that you have to come towards my screen. So welcome to my screen everyone, as we are going to learn the top amazing automations for sending customer notifications. And you know, I have created all these automations without the requirement of any coding and programming skills with the help of this amazing automation software Pabbly Connect. So I have reached towards the landing page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by tapping the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, you will find two options: sign in and sign up for free. In case if you are already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, you can directly click on sign in. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button to create your free new account just in 2 minutes. And also when you will do that, you will be receiving 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now because I'm already an existing user, so I'm going to click on sign in option. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So on this dashboard, you can save all your automations. You will find all the automation workflows which you have created up till now over here. And you can also create different folders over here to save your workflows separately and accordingly. Now, because I have already created a separate folder to save the automations which I have created for notifications. So I'm going to open that same folder. So these are all the automations which we are going to discuss today. So let's start with the first one. So here our first automation is an amazing automation for sending WhatsApp notification to the customers. Send WhatsApp message to new Facebook leads. Now imagine you run a travel agency and you generate leads through Facebook ads. Whenever someone fills out your Facebook lead form which you have created for generating the leads, then immediately a WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead, thanking them for their interest and also providing them more information about your organization, about the services which you provide. Also, by setting up this automation, you can send discount offers, promotional offers to your customers instantly and automatically. So here you can send the travel packages information. By automating this process, you can quickly engage with your potential customers, and this also increases chance of converting these leads into potential customers. All right. So this was an amazing automation. What I have done over here, I have simply set up a connection between Facebook lead ads and Interact. I have used Interact API for sending WhatsApp messages with the help of template, but definitely you can take any other application as well, such as WhatsApp Cloud API, Vati, AI Sensi or etc. Okay. So I have set up a simple connection in such a way that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads through the lead gen form which I have created for my travel agency, then instantly a WhatsApp notification will be sent to my customer, and it will happen each time whenever the lead will be generated. Okay, so in this way I'm going to send customized WhatsApp messages to all my leads with their name, with their details, so that they will feel touched and the customer definitely value the message which I'm going to send. So this was an amazing automation. Let's move forward towards the next one. The next automation is send automated appointment reminders on SMS. Okay, so here let's suppose you manage a dental clinic and have a lot of patients with scheduled appointments. Okay, you have the details of all these clients in your Google Sheets, and now the major problem of fixing the appointments with the client is no show. So let's suppose you have already set up an appointment for a webinar with your clients or for a treatment, then we have a great chance that the customer can miss the appointment date or the time. So here, to reduce no shows and ensure your patients or the clients remember your appointments, you can automate SMS reminders. These reminders can be sent out of 24 and 1 hour before the scheduled appointment time. Okay, so what you can do, you can simply set up a connection over here between Google Sheets and Twilio. Twilio is an SMS application through which you can send automated SMS to your clients, customer or patients for whichever reason you are setting up the automation, and according to the specific date and time of the webinar, of the treatment or the appointment, you can send the appointment reminders automatically. So you do not have to do anything after you will set up this connection. Immediately the notification will be sent to all your participants. Okay, so in this way you can create this amazing automation for sending automated appointment reminders, because there is a huge chance that your customers, clients or the participants can miss the appointment date or time. Let's move forward towards the next automation now. Here we have another automation, send WooCommerce order cancellation emails to customers. So let's suppose you run online store using WooCommerce. You're selling your products with the help of WooCommerce. So sometimes customers need to cancel their orders as well. And it's important to acknowledge these cancellations promptly to be in touch with your customers. By automating this process, you can send a personalized email to your customers confirming the cancellation and providing details about the refund process, refund or exchange process, okay? So here what you can do, you can simply set up a connection between WooCommerce and your Gmail or the email account in such a way that whenever an order will be cancelled on your WooCommerce store, here I have taken the example of WooCommerce, but definitely you can take any e-commerce application such as Thrivecart, Shopify or etc. And as soon as the order will be cancelled, then you can send an automated email notification to your customers that their order is cancelled and up till when you are going to make their refund process. Okay, here I have also applied a filter because here the trigger is order updated. So in the case of order update, we are going to receive the response from WooCommerce whenever there will be an update in the order. So here, in order to only process the workflow when the order will be cancelled, I have applied a condition that when the order will be cancelled, then only I want to run this workflow further. Okay, so this is also an amazing automation to inform the customers about their cancellation and the refund process. Let's move forward towards the next automation. Now the next automation over here is send email notification to Indiamart leads. Let's suppose you are a B2B supplier on Indiamart, which is a popular B2B market. Okay, you receive numerous inquiries about your products over here. Automating email notification ensures that each lead gets an immediate response with more details about the products they are interested in, along with your contact information for further discussion. Let's suppose you are dealing in Indiamart and you are receiving new leads every day regularly, and you are receiving the inquiries as well of the leads. So how you are going to resolve these queries? By sending them emails, and you do not have to do anything manually. You just have to set up this automation by setting up a connection between Indiamart and Gmail in such a way that whenever a lead is going to submit the inquiry, according to the inquiry and the product on which the lead is interested, an email notification will be sent to each of these leads, resolving all the queries as well as informing them about your more services. So in this way, you can send email notification to your Indiamart leads. This is also an amazing automation. Now we are going to move forward towards the next one. Now here is our fifth automation, send Shopify order notification on WhatsApp. Now, if you are using an e-commerce store to sell your products, it is very important when the order will be placed by a customer on your store to notify that customer regarding the order along with all the order details, the amount which he has paid, and up till when the order will be processed, it will be shipped, and what are the tracking details of the order. So you have to send the real-time tracking details to all your customers in the form of notification up till when they are going to receive their order. Okay, this is very important if you are running your business online. Now here, let's suppose you own a Shopify store and you want to provide your customers with real-time updates about their orders. By automating WhatsApp notification, you can inform customers when their orders are placed, shipped and delivered, enhancing their shopping experience and building trust. So as soon as an order will be placed on your Shopify store, immediately a WhatsApp message will be sent to your customer informing about their order confirmation, and also the message will contain the details such as when the order will be shipped, how you are going to send them the tracking details, and even you can send these updates related to the order to each and every customer on regular basis, that when their order is shipped, when the order is out for delivery, and when the order is delivered. Also, you can tell them about more exciting offers which you are going to provide them next time when they are going to place the order. So, as you have learned the automations, each of these addresses a specific customer interaction point, ensuring timely and efficient communication to the customers. And by using Pabbly Connect to automate these processes, you can enhance customer satisfaction, reduce manual workload, and streamline your operations, ultimately leading to better customer relationships and business growth. So these were some amazing automations which I have told you related to sending notification to your customers, that too automatically. But here we do not stop, because these were only the 5 automations which I have told you, but we have multiple such automations related to customer engagement on our YouTube channel. So you can just go and explore our channel for more such amazing automations. And if you want to learn any of these automations step by step, then definitely we have the step-by-step tutorial for each of them. You can go on our channel and easily watch any of them which is required to you. So I hope this small video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends, and also please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.